Hey, welcome back. This is Will Middleton from LifterLMS, and in this video we're going to dive into the scale question type from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. Now, this question type is a little more complicated, but it is one of my favorite question types in that it allows students to select from a scale of, a 1 through 10 or whatever you want it to be, and it's very neat for it's a neat way to present sort of a multiple choice format. So I'll get started here by typing in a question. What is the correct answer? And then we can have a minimum value. We'll just do maybe 2 through 13 in this example here. And let's see, 2 through 13 here. And we can have a minimum label. We'll just use this, and the maximum label will be that. Oh, I'm sorry, I did that incorrectly. The maximum value will be 13, and the maximum label will be that. There we go. So we have an option to have a correct answer here, so we can choose a correct answer in this scale. I'll do the correct answer as 4, and we have the general options of description, image, video, and results clarification. But that's all we need for this question. So let's save our changes and see what this looks like on the front end. Take quiz, start quiz, and we can see the scale here. Our correct answer was 4, but this is a neat way to allow the student to select from a pseudo multiple choice format. And yeah, so you can see our labels here, and I will complete quiz, and I should have 100% on that, as it's a 1 out of 1 quiz here. There we go. So yeah, that's it for the scale question type. In the next video, we'll dive into the LifterLMS reporting for manually grading quizzes. But one other thing to note is the content question type and the add existing question. Add existing question allows you to pull a question from another quiz, and then the content allows you to just have some general broadcast content. There's nothing too special here. It's just a typically 0-point question type that just lets the user know something. Maybe if you need to have, you need to explain an upcoming question or denote that this is a sort of a section within a quiz, you can use the content question type there. But in the next video, we'll dive into the reporting. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.